Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Aaron with U-Haul. Today we're going to take a look at the REESE SportWing 2-bike rack. This rack is affordable, easy to use, and is adjustable to almost any type of bike frame. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. So let's start by taking a look at the Shank and how to install this on your vehicle. This bike rack comes with an 1.25" shank and it comes with a pin and clip to secure it to your vehicle. Now if you have a 2-inch receiver on your vehicle, it comes with these 2 sleeves that are just loosely lined up over the pinhole, and you have to hold it into place when you put it in, which can be a little difficult, but once you line it up, it comes with a threaded pin to help lock it into place. So our vehicle has an 1.25" receiver, so to install this on there, we're just going to take our shank and line it up with our receiver, and we'll push it in till our 2 pinholes line up. Now that our 2 pinholes line up, we're just going to take our pin and we're going to slide it through. And on the other side, we'll take our clip and we'll secure it into place. So with our bike rack on, let's talk about the different positions that you can place it in. When hauling around town without any bikes, you can leave it in this normal V shape, or you can adjust it where it tilts all the way up so it doesn't stick out as far. To do that, we're just going to pull out on these 2 clips and we'll tilt our arm up and then secure it in the next slot. And we'll just repeat on the other arm. So that way it just sticks all the way up. It doesn't stick out, and it's easy to store when not in use. Now, if you need to get into your cargo area, this can get kind of in the way. So you can either remove the bike rack to get into your storage area, or we can take these pins out again, and instead of placing it in any slot, we'll just drop it all the way down. That way nothing is in your way to get into your trunk. So let's go ahead and put it back into our loading position. So now that we're in loading position, let's go ahead and talk about our bikes. This can hold up to 2 bikes with a total weight capacity of 100 pounds. And to secure your bike onto this rack, it uses these 2 cradles on both sides to secure your wheels, which means it doesn't matter what type of bike frame you have, you can secure it onto this bike rack. Now to use these straps, you have this rubber coating on the bottom where your wheel will sit, and then we have these rubber straps on top that are adjustable to each wheel size. Now, depending on your wheelbase, you can adjust these onto different slots onto this arm. You'll just have to remove it by taking off this knob right here. And then you can adjust it to the current spot that you need it to be able to firmly secure your bike onto this rack. Now that we've gone over all the features on how to secure your bike onto this rack, let's go ahead and go over our final step to get it ready to put our bike on. We're just going to pull these straps off, and then let's go get our bike. The first thing we want to make sure is that our chain is facing away from our rack, and then we'll take one wheel, and through the spokes we're just going to slide it on where it sits on the cradle, and then we'll do the same on the back side. Now that it's hanging on, we're going to take our rubber strap and we're going to secure it on the tightest position possible, and then we'll repeat on the back side. Now to make sure that our wheel doesn't flop while we're driving, it does come with these Velcro straps. We're just going to take it out, pull it through, and put it nice and tight. Now on our arms, we have these foam sleeves that are adjustable where we can move it to where our bike may hit the arms. That way it protects your frame from any scratching. And we'll just adjust those on both sides. Now this kit does come with multiple Velcro straps, so after you put on your first one, if you notice that your bike does sway a little bit in the back, we can take another Velcro strap and we can go through our frame and over our arm to make it more secure. And that's how easy it is to secure your bike onto this bike rack. All right guys, that wraps up the REESE SportWing bike rack. As you can see, this was easy to use, it's affordable, and is adjustable to almost any size of bike frame. Now, if you have any questions about this rack, or if you'd like to take a look at one, you can visit your closest U-Haul center, or you can visit us online at uhaul.com. Thank you.